I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chili pickle at home with vinegar. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of fresh chili peppers, 1 cup of white vinegar, 2 tablespoons of salt, and a mix of spices like mustard seeds, fenugreek, and turmeric. Make sure your peppers are washed and thoroughly dried. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Let's get started on this delicious journey. Now let's prepare our chili peppers. After washing them well, it's crucial to dry them completely to prevent spoilage. You can pat them dry with a clean cloth or air dry them for a few hours. Next, carefully remove the stems. You can slice the peppers into rings, halves, or leave them whole, depending on your preference. Remember, wearing gloves is a good idea to protect your hands from the chili's heat. This step is key for a great pickle. With your peppers prepared, it's time to mix everything together. In a bowl, combine your sliced chilies with the 2 tablespoons of salt and your chosen spices. Mix them thoroughly so every piece is coated. Now, carefully pack this mixture into your sterilized glass jars, pressing down gently to remove air pockets. Finally, pour the 1 cup of white vinegar over the chilies, making sure they are completely submerged. This creates the perfect pickling environment. Once your jars are filled, seal them tightly. Store your chili pickle in a cool, dark place, away from direct sunlight. This curing process is essential for the flavors to meld beautifully. Give it at least 1 week, or even 2, before you open a jar and enjoy your homemade creation. After opening, always refrigerate the pickle to keep it fresh for several months. You've just made a delicious chili pickle with vinegar, ready to spice up any meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.